Making more money as a Google AdSense publisher is actually the dream of every YouTube creator or blog owner. And Google is trying as much as possible to make that dream a reality because um, periodically they introduce new feature by which a Google AdSense publisher can easily implement on his or her Google AdSense and it will boost his earnings. And in this video, we shall be looking at such feature that was introduced recently and which is the ad intent. So simply in this video, I'll be showing how to turn on the ad intents on your Google AdSense account. And like they say, it will eventually boost your revenue on this platform. So if you've gotten this email, then you're on the right track. You can easily turn it on your Google AdSense account. So the email says boost your revenue potential with ad intent. So let's read the main reason why you should turn on the Google ad intent, and it's coming from no other source than from Google AdSense himself. So this is the message I got. It said boost your revenue potential with the new ad intent format from auto ads. It's actually an auto ads feature. So if you're using Google AdSense for a while, you must be familiar with the word auto ads, and I believe you must have turned it on your blog platform. But if you haven't, then after watching this video, I will advise you to do that right now. So it says, and turn on ad intent, and it will take care of showing them on relevant pages. So this is a sample of what it looks like, and this is it. Yes, once you click on it, it has so many things that um, it will lead anybody that clicks on it, it will be displayed on your blog platform. So it said introducing ad intents and innovative ad formats that places links and or anchors into existing text and pages on your site. So this feature is actually compatible to a blog page alone. It is not compatible to your YouTube channel. So like it says, it introduces links or anchors into existing text and pages on your site directly tied to your content. So it operates like a link format. So in any content of yours, in any text of yours, the once you've turned this on, automatically some text in your blog page can actually turn to that link. So it said um, when a user interacts with a link or an anchor, it opens a dialog that shows users relevant search results with ads that can help increase your earnings. So you earn revenue when a user clicks on any of the links within the dialog. So that's the means by which you can earn. So the main reason why you're here, like I said, is to teach you on how to turn this ad intent in your Google AdSense account. So automatically, you can easily log into your AdSense account. But once you click this link, if you receive this email like turn on ad intent, it will take you to your Google AdSense account automatically. That's if you're logged on to the same page. So it will take you, and on this list, let me show you how you can easily navigate to this portion. You click on the ads here. Once you log into your Google AdSense account, you click on this ads, and then it will take you to this page, which this link automatically takes me to. So once you're here, you see the list of your sites that are already connected to Google AdSense. I've turned the ad intents for this first one. So I want to show you how you can do it. So I'll be using the second site of mine. So like I said, your site list will be displayed right here on this page. So all you have to do is to go to this edit icon, that's a pencil icon, and choose the sites you want to like turn it on. Then, like I said, automatically you should ensure that your auto ads is turned on. So it will take you to this very page, and as you can see, the first thing that shows it said add intent driven format. So this is where you're looking to. You must have seen all these remaining features on your auto ads before, but this is newly introduced. Like it says, beta is on the beta testing format. So you click on it and how to turn it on. So that's what we're going to do right now. So there are various things features that will be implemented once you turn them on. So this is it, for instance. So if you want to turn it on easily, you just tick this checkbox, or you check the box, and automatically both all this is turned on. As I said, it allowed add intent links, and this second one allow add intent anchors. So turning it on is simply entails you clicking on this checkbox. If you want to turn it off, you don't want it again, you check it off. But if you want to like use it, like I said, we are here to turn it on. So you just click on the checkbox and you wouldn't leave. You go back And after you've gone back, you click on apply site. Ensure that you click on this apply to site, because if you didn't click on this, it wouldn't be implemented or fully implemented on your site. So you click on apply site, then this will pop up if you want to like run an experiment for a while, or you want to apply it fully. So I want to apply it fully. I don't want to run an experiment. So I leave it in this very first option. Then I click on save. So automatically I've turned it on. So that is how simple it is for you to turn on ad intents on your Google AdSense account. In case you find this video informative enough, you can simply follow me on this YouTube channel by subscribing to this channel, because it's actually a how-to the tutorial based channel whereby I teach you tutorials on how to carry lots of things all related to technology. Like I said, if you want to be part of this channel, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I put up my next tutorial videos just like this. Having done that, you're already part of the family, and I'm giving you a bear hug, a welcome hug to the family. So you can also go to my playlist and see other related videos, tutorial based videos for you to watch and learn one or two things. So having done that, we've come to the end of this video. And if you're confused in any section, simply go to the comment section and ask me a question. Then I will reply to them immediately I get the notification in my inbox. So we've come to the end of this video. Chibuzagwa remains my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.